guys, it's Blaney and welcome to another video. I'm here with Geno Melon, but she is Pikachu and Bonnie out right now. So, and this is Super Sheep, if no one knew, and I am Rainy 555, or Patches. Stop! Okay, so we're going to be doing basically an improv skit right now. So it's going to be called the Mime. Basically, it's going to explain what it's like to be a mime and basically like
not
that.
being able to talk. No.
So Red will be the mime, aka Pikachu and Bonnie, or Geno Melon,
or Jazz.
And I'll just be talking. So yep.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Woo! I haven't seen my friend Mime in a long time, so I think she go say hi. I think this is where she lives now. Oh my gosh. Hello, Mime, are you home? It's your good old friend Super Sheep. Oh, are you happy? Yeah, you're happy, okay. Can I come in? I guess that's a yes? Okay. Well, it's nice seeing you, Mime. Haven't seen you in a while. Okay. Well, I gotta go. Bye. Bye, Mime. Oh. Mime? Mommy, do you know what you did? You spilled ketchup on my Valentino white bag. Do you know how bad this is? I love that bag. Yeah, you're clueless. It was either you or this dragon, and I'm pretty sure it's you, because you have opposable thumbs, I think. So, explain yourself, Mommy. Yes. Cry. Go to your room now. Go to your room. Okay. You don't get dinner. No pizza night for you. You happy about that? Are you? That's my Valentino white bag. How dare you? Are you still crying? Well, you deserve to cry. You poopy face. Taking an evening stroll. Oh, someone said. Really? Bloopers! Taking an evening stroll once again. Are you okay? Hello? Are you fine? Well, I'm kind of sad too. Would you like to be friends? Are you laughing at me? You mean I'm mad I ever asked you if you're okay. You meanie pie.
Oh, it's been a very long day at work. I wonder how my darling child is doing. Hi, honey. How are you doing? Honey, how are you doing? Oh, how was your day? Are you okay? Oh, it was such a good day. You were crying for joy. I get it. Well, have a nice sleep, honey. You probably had so much excitement. I'll be over here if you need me. Dinner's ready soon.
It's like for fun.
What?
I just like doing these skits for fun.
Oh, I started it. This ice is cold. Okay, that was the end of the video. Hope you guys like it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Okay, so, bye.